Good morning, dear students. How are you? In the previous chapter, we have already learnt about globes and maps. And if you take a look at the globe or map, you will find many vertical and horizontal lines on the surface of the earth. And these lines are imaginary lines. The imaginary lines running from east to west are called parallels of latitude, and the lines running vertically from north to south are known as meridians of longitude. And dear students, the point where the latitude and the longitude of a place cross each other is the exact location of that place. Here are some important latitudes. This is your Earth, and in the middle there is the equator. In the northern hemisphere, Tropic of Cancer, Arctic Circle, and below the equator we have Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle at different degrees. Now, what are latitudes? Latitudes are measured in degrees. They are drawn on a globe in east-west direction, and the distance between the latitudes is always the same. Since the circumference of the earth gets smaller near the poles, the lines of latitude are shorter near the poles. The equator runs exactly in the midway of the earth, and it divides the earth into two equal halves known as hemispheres. The top half of the earth between the equator and the northern pole is known as northern hemisphere, and the bottom half that lies between the equator and the Antarctic and the south pole is known as southern hemisphere. Now, other latitudes. The very first is Tropic of Cancer. It is at 23.5 degree north in the northern hemisphere. Tropic of Capricorn, 23.5 south in the southern hemisphere. Tropic of Capricorn, 23.5 in the southern hemisphere. Then is the Arctic Circle at 66.5 degree north, Antarctic Circle at 66.5 degree south pole. Now, longitudes. Longitudes are also called meridians of longitude. They run from north to south. But due to the shape of the earth, the distance between the meridians is the largest at the equator due to its bulgy shape, and it decreases towards the pole. All 360 meridians are of equal length. There are 180 meridians in east and 180 in the west. The meridian which passes through the Greenwich, where the British Royal Observatory is located, is called prime meridian, and its value is 0 degree longitude. Now, importance of parallels and meridians. Parallels and meridians, they together form a network or a grid, and the lines of longitude intersect latitude at 90 degree angles, and both meridians and parallels help us to locate different places as well as calculation of the time. First is locating places. The place where the latitude and longitude of a place cut each other is the exact location of that place. Calculating time. Longitudes help us to calculate the time of a place. We know that Earth completes its rotation in 24 hours or 1440 minutes, which means 4 minutes to rotate 1 degree, and each longitude is located at an interval of 1 degree. So time difference between two consecutive longitudes is 4 minutes. Therefore, if we know the longitude of a place, we can calculate the time of a place. Dear students, hope you have understood the concept of longitude and latitude. Thank you.